Pass to Bagis. Bagis inside. Pass number 7 from the long ball. 3. No good. Black Spider bringing the ball. Hayes. Pass to the big man. Hayes. O'Connor. Inside the big man. Good pass. Number 6. And we have a track. Number 7 bring the ball. 10 Tishin. Number 7 pass to Bagis. Bagis for the long ball. Bang! Bagis for 3 points. Cut ball number 69 is there. Again, bring it back to the big man. Enter up at 4. Pass to Hayes for the long 3. Bang! For 3 points. Utana ay tama na bola. Utana. Against communication. A wide point lead in favor of TBA. Miller pass to Black Spider. Pass to Donnie at the ball side. Slide. No good. Rebound for the big man. Number 7 with the number 7. Bibitaw na bola. Last number 13. Bibitaw na ng pass defensa. Pass to Montana. Montana for the long 3. No good. Rebound by Bagis. 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 Pass to the teammate number 6. Away from again live. 5. Tishin. There's good. Black Spider. Bibitaw na bola. Down the pass. Number 6. Number 6, the Pelican shot. No good. Okay. Hayes. Pass it there. Substitution. Good done. Pass to the big man. Number 9. Yeah, we have a track. Silver man. Middle ball. Number 6. Silver man pass. The single lucky. Boy, vigorous. Guarded by against the ball. And Vince. The Camden foul. Patao. So far, vigorous. Bagis to Utana. Utana turns number 6, pass number 7. Pass to the big man, Bagis. Bagis started by Dave, pass number 6. Bibitaw na bola, pass number 10. Bagis. Bibitaw na press. No good. Rebound by Salmer Venom. Pass to Will in the veteran. Back to Bergano. Bergano pass to the veteran. Pass to down the Defonso. That's it. Utana, ribbon ball. Utana, another error by Utana. Pace. Inside, left and pass. Black by Utana. Number 6, Utana ball, pass to number 13. Number 13 inside, step inside. No good. Rebound and team on one situation. Now that's Hayes. Now Bibitaw na bola. Mark Vigorous. Line from the game line. So Miller. Miller, ribbon ball. Pass to the big man. He's inside, using the body. Good. Rebound by the big man. That's good. Right. Number 6 for the long ball. Yes, sir. Number 6 for 3 points. Look high. Pass to Hayes. What a requirement done. Pass to the big man. Danny high. Not good. Rebound by Hayes. It's good. Number 7, back to Madonna. From East, pass to number 7. Back to number 6, the long ball, 3, not good. Rebound by the 5. Sorry, no progress. Silver Cannon, pass to Weller. The veterans started by Madonna. Weller inside. That's good. One time, dribbling ball. Back to East. From East. Back to the big man inside. It's good. Pace on the back of the ball for a PDA. Pass to the background Miller. Miller to East. Beeping on the pass. No good. Rebound by East. Pagis berkawal dengan bola, pass to Madonna, pass to number 6 for the long ball, no good. Rebound by Danny. Pass to Warwick Rivers. Fingers with Donnie out the ball, so inside. There's the other fan. Sims did an addition down. Number 9. Pass to the pass to the background, number 3, Egon. There's the back. Greg Gallo pass to Ryan. Pass to the big man in the lane for a field. No good. Rebound by Mark Pigris. Grant the second line. Look at that power up in the place. Good down. Back to the here. Back in the back. Good down. Right about it. Good down. Inside. Back to the teammate. It's given by Meneses. Pass to Ryan Aranya to Wally. Back to Aranya. Second time to Aranya. Inside to make back to O'Neal. It's given by O'Neal. Good down. Pass to Aaron. Back to the line. Pass to Meneses. Started by Mark Pigris. Love it. Rebound by Cyrus Michael. Good down. Buddha, iiwan ang depensa ng Buddha, shot, no good. Ryan Aranya, nabagan ito. Ryan, ito na lang, Aranya, inside, side step. Set ball. 1 minute 22 seconds. 1 minute 10 seconds. Bunda inside. No hit. Walking rebound. Cyrus Parker. Bunda pass the gun. Ryan Aranya. Pass to Bunda for 3. No hit. Pass to the background, delivered to Samuel. Dapat na malaki. Back to the fair. Cyrus. Pass to Ryan Aranya. Iikutan ang pass na Aranya na shot. No good. Rebound by the big man. To the wall for 3. Yes, sir. Okay, inside.